Let's start. Today we will see how to implement text shadow in CSS. In the body tag, we have several paragraph tags. Here we have applied the text shadow property. The horizontal value is set to 2 pixels. And the vertical value is set to 5 pixels. Next, here we have set the shadow color to red. Next here have set the blurriness of the shadow, and the third value of 4 pixels defines the blur value. And here we have used the combination of 2 different colored shadows. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, here we have applied shadow to the text. Here we have applied color to the shadow. Here we have applied the blur effect to the shadow. And here we have used the combination of 2 different colored shadows. So that's it. That's how you can implement text shadow in CSS. Thank you.